Okay. So you plug your sewing machine, and when you receive this thing, put gum here, put super glue here, and insert it here. So let's go. So I don't want to put the super glue now. I'm just going to drop it on the ground. I'm going to hang it here. This thing. I'll hang it here. Here. And straight into the middle. You can switch on the bulb. Sorry. So this is where you change the stitches. Number five. Number five is straight stitch. Number five. You go ahead and sew. Let's say I want to sew this one down. And that's it. When you want to reverse, you reverse. So that's it. This one now, we leave it between 4 or 5. Here you get 4 or 5. You see how clean it is. You see how clean. Then if you want to do zigzag, you move it to number 9. Number 9 is zigzag. I want a big zigzag, so I'm going to sew number 11. That's it. If you want the zigzag to be closed, you want a closer zigzag, you sew. Which one is closer? Okay, let me just do number 14. So all the designs are lovely, very very lovely. So that's it about it. Let me do number 10 now. So this one is for your reeling thread. When you want to reel thread, you put it here and you reel. Thank you. So that's it. There's not much setting on this sewing machine. It's that simple. Thank you.